Mike Collins isn't a politician. He's never held office. Instead, he spent the last 30 years building a trucking company and raising a family. Mike Collins is a pro-Trump businessman and outsider who fight the immigration invasion, skyrocketing inflation, rigged elections, and Biden's assault on the Constitution. Send a trucker to Congress. Mike Collins will fight to overhaul D.C.
Break 19, this is Mike Collins. I approve this message because it's time to put America first again.